Hello everyone, this is Pritam Shah. Welcome to my YouTube channel Cognitive Coder. So today in this PySpark video series, we will learn how to read the parquet file using PySpark. Okay. So earlier video I have already shown you how to read the JSON, how to read the CSV file. It's almost like that. Okay. Parquet also a file format. It's mostly using in data domain. Okay. For storing the data. Okay. So today we will see how to read the Pocket file. Okay. So let's go to our workspace. Before going to that, I am showing you I have two Pocket files. Okay. I'll as like the CSV and JSON. What we have done, we have uploaded the file into the DBFS database file system, and after that we read from the file system. Okay, using the Spark code. Okay, so for the Pocket file also, we will store the data in our DBFS database file system. Okay. So after that, we will try to read the data using the Spark code from our notebook. Okay. So I have already created the notebook and cluster already is running. Okay. The cluster from folder name. Okay. So let's go to the folder. Anywhere you can upload. I'm uploading it. Let me check where I can upload. I'm uploading it. Okay. Files to. So if you haven't checked, if you don't know that how to read the CSV and JSON also, then please go through my earlier videos. The videos are in sequence in this playlist. You can go through that video, and then you will get to understand how it is working for the JSON, the CSV and JSON also. Okay. So I'm for this video here I only show you how to read the Pocket file. Okay, so the Pocket file is uploaded here. So now coming to our notebook. So Spark session is already created, as I told you earlier in my earlier videos also that in Databricks where it is as it is a Spark cluster, it is running the code in Spark cluster. So we don't need to create the Spark session every time. Okay, it is automatically created. So we'll try to read your so as like the other JSON and CSV, it in the here also the code is same. Just we need to change the file. Okay. So before going to that, I'll show you using the help function. What is the parameter it is taking. Okay. So help function is a function in Spark. Okay. Wherever you stuck to do your code or you are confusing, you can take everywhere that using the use help function. Okay. So let's pick up the cell. So what it is showing? Pocket file, data frame method, with data frame method of Spark read writer and read data frame instance. Okay, so load project Pocket file and it is returning one data frame. Okay, okay. So here it is almost given. So let's go back and try to write our code here. Mention the path file path. Copy the path, copy, paste it. So you need to store the data frame. Get one variable. Print the schema. And also clean the data frame. Yes. So now figuring shift. So there is exception. Must be specially manual. Check the error. What is now it is given. So you basically okay. It will automatically consider the path and the here as a path. Okay, you don't need to give it here the path equals like that. Okay. So this is the schema you are getting here. Okay. So and these are the there are thousands of rows receiving in this so what is going to get here? Like this data, there is a big data, that's why you are getting like uh, for show and display there is a difference. Okay, if you use this show function, then you will get maximum 20 rows at a time. But for the display function, it will give you thousands of rows at a time. Okay, this is the difference between show and okay. See, there is thousands of rows. Take also count of data. Spark has a function for count function. It will give you the whole data count. Give data. Showing thousand. So all the rows then it is here. So now if you want to read both the files at a time, both the parquet files at a time. Just suppose there are multiple parquet files. Okay, so how you will read? In CSV also I have shown you. We need to use the asterisk. Just understand the machine should be understood. Whatever cluster should be understand that cluster should understand that this you want to read the all the parquet file from these files too. Okay. And also the schema should be matched, otherwise you will get the error. Okay, both the both the file or all the files whatever you want to read, the schema should be same. Okay, then you can read anything. And here you can see. So you are getting more than 1,000. Both the file 1,000 and 1,000 data. I have. Then you are getting, that's why you are getting here 2,000. Okay. So So these are the main topic for this video. Okay. If you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Please share this video with your friends, and also please share your playlist with your friends so that they also will be able to get the spark thing. Okay. They will get they will also get the benefit of this Spark series. Okay, please share this playlist with your friends and whatever your new person who want to learn the data. Okay, thank you for watching my videos. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.